Okay, si Miss Jessica Sanchez, sabi niya, first time fur mom po ako, Doc. Ayaw po kumain ng Shih Tzu ko po. Nasa check, pina-check namin, positive daw po sa parvo, 50-50 daw yung chance. Pa-help po. Maganda na po yan na dinala nyo sa vet ninyo, no? At least 50-50 kasi pag untreated cases, 90% mamamatay po yung inyong aso kung hindi po nyo ipatreat yan. And yung 10% na yun yung kiniklaim ng iba na nag-home remedy daw, tapos gumaling daw. Actually, chumamba sila na nasa 10% sila. Pero if you're going to give your dogs, kagaya na sinabi ko sa video ko, home remedies lang, ay malamang sa hindi mamamatay po yung aso kasi hindi lang po ganun kasimple yun. Bigay lang ng antibiotics, okay na yung aso nyo. No, it's not as simple as that. Marami pong mga i-consider dahil maraming naapektuhan yung parvovirus. It's not just the secondary bacterial infection that you should be worried about. You should be also worried about the dehydration, the emesis, yung pagsusuka, and yung pagiging stable ng aso at saka yung pain niya. So, it's not as simple as just giving antibiotics and dextrose powder. Dalhin niyo po sa vet niyo, kaya maganda po yung ginawa niyo, Miss Jessica, na dinala nyo sa vet ninyo. Congratulations, you did a really good thing. Now, for doon sa mga first time fur moms and fur dads and yung mga may mga dogs, no, why don't you avail yung Meta Animals Insurance para po pagdating sa mga ganitong klaseng sitwasyon ay hindi kayo magdalawang isip pumunta, dalhin, ipa-vet yung aso ninyo or pusa ninyo dahil meron kayong insurance, di ba? Kasi itong Meta Animals Insurance, ang maganda po dito, we do not discriminate on the dog's breed or we do not discriminate on the dog size. Kasi yung iba, kailangan purebred dog yung aso nyo. Kailangan may papers from sikat na or yung mga old school na registry bago kayo bigyan ng insurance. We don't discriminate like that. Anong kinalaman ng papeles doon sa aso, di ba? So kahit po aspin yan na walang papel, pero mas maganda, of course, may papel sa IAGD. So, we do not discriminate. And at the same time, you can cover multiple animals na may discount na yung mga iba. No? May 20% discount na kayo kapag more than one dog or cat yung insure ninyo. Okay, so try yung Meta Animals Insurance. What you can do is go to lounge.metaanimals.org. No? Just sign up. You can sign up and earn also some commissions, no, kasi insurance maganda yan dahil talagang kailangan ng iba yan, but many people don't know about this. Pero kapag ka-member po kayo ng IAGD, member kayo ng lounge.metaanimals.org, madali lang po yan, free yung membership. Tapos sila rin pinamember ninyo and mag-avail sila ng insurance under the lounge, then you will get a 3% commission, no, up to 7 generations. Halimbawa, yung in-invite mo, first level mo yon. Lahat ng in-invite mo, invite ka ngayon, next week, next year. So, dumadami yung first level mo. Yung mga first level mo, pag mag-invite sila, second level mo yon. So, lahat yan, no? Lumalawak yan, kada mag-invite yung first level mo. And yung second level mo, pag mag-invite yon, third level mo na yon. And so on and so forth. So, dumadami yan over time. Hanggang dun sa 7th generation mo, may commissions ka na 3% dun sa insurance. Okay, so maganda ito dahil meron ka ng extra income, nakatulong ka pa dun sa mga ibang fur parents, fur dads, fur moms. Kagaya ni Miss Jessica, no? So sana may insurance si Miss Jessica. I don't know if kung meron, kung wala. Pero ang ganda talaga pag merong insurance. Dito sa Meta Animals Insurance pati, walang discrimination din kung saang clinic kayo nagpunta or hospital kayo nagpunta. As long as meron kayong mga resibo from the licensed veterinarian sa hospital niya, then you will be reimbursed up to the kung magkano yung coverage ng insurance niyo kasi depende yon sa laki ng coverage. So inquire lang po kayo, go to metaanimals.org, dun sa lounge.metaanimals.org. May chat box doon sa baba. You can type your inquiries there for insurance, free papeles para sa aso nyo, pusa nyo, or iba pang mga pets. Libre po yan sa lounge.metaanimals.org. But if you want to have your dog or cat or pet na merong hard copy na ganito, 200 pesos po itong hardbound folder, and yung centralized na isahan na lang yung certificate and yung pedigree niya, 500 lang naman po yun. And if somebody from your 7th generation network avails of the 500 peso hard copy, meron ka 30 pesos. That's not bad, di ba? Extra income po ito. Alam nyo, yung pagmamahal natin sa mga pets, no, magastos po talaga yan. It doesn't hurt kung meron kayong extra income. Tapos doon din sa lounge, 7-level network mo sa MAAS ang tawag natin dyan, Meta Animals Affiliate Super Network. Kapag meron nag-avail dyan ng dog training, may commission ka rin. Pag may nag-avail dyan ng dealership ng SDN, the best dog food in the multiverse, meron kang 1% kada bibili yung dealer na yon. Lahat ng purchase ng dealer, ba 1 million nang binibili niya, every month may 10,000 pesos ka. It's not going to hurt you. It's going to benefit you pambili na ng dog food at panggastos niyo na for your fur baby or your family, your human loved ones. So, yan po, no? Let's help other people like Miss Jessica, no, lalo na mga baguhan. Let's help them. Let's be a member of the lounge.metaanimals.org and kikita pa tayo as a thank you for spreading the news, 'di ba? Instead of us hiring celebrities para i-promote yung mga products natin and services, we are empowering you para kayo na yung kumita imbes na yung mga celebrities. That's just how network marketing is. That's why we have it here sa Meta Animals. So hopefully, Miss Jessica, balitaan niyo po kami, no? We'll pray na ang aso ninyo ay bumuti yung kalagayan niya. I know how it is, no? Nafe-feel ko po yung inyong worry, nafe-feel ko po yung inyong stress. And hopefully, alagaan po siya ng bet niyo. Yung bet ni Miss Jessica, Doc, pakialagaan niyo po ng mabuti yung kanyang Shih Tzu, no? I know veterinarians do their best naman, kaya sana po ay gumaling ang inyong Shih Tzu.